Objective questions for English medium students. Topic is atomic structure. We have presented a video lecture on complete atomic structure. Now we will discuss the objective question. Question number 1. What is the smallest part of an element or substance? What is the smallest part of an element or substance? We have already discussed. The smallest part is answer A, atom. Question number 2. Who presented atomic theory first? Or atomic theory was given by the scientist of answer D, John Dalton. John Dalton presented the atomic theory. Question number 3. Scientist John Dalton belongs to which country? John Dalton belongs to which country? Answer is B, UK, United Kingdom or Britain. Question number 4. What is the appropriate time of John Dalton's atomic theory? When the John Dalton's presented his atomic theory, the answer is B, the beginning of the 19th century. He presented his theory in 1808 to 1811 AD. Question number 5. According to John Dalton, what is the characteristics of atoms, the smallest part of matter? The answer is B, indivisible. John Dalton explained in his atomic theory that the smallest part of element is atoms and which is indivisible. That was challenged later on by Rutherford and others. Question number 6. Which philosopher first presented the atomic related philosophy about the world? There was Indian philosopher who first introduced the world, the smallest part of creation, that is atom. Answer is B, Kanad. Kanad was the first Indian philosopher who published his Vaisheshik philosophy, and in his philosophy he first introduced the atoms. Question number 7. John Dalton's atomic theory later on amended by which of the following scientists who amended the John Dalton's atomic theory? Answer is A, Rutherford. Rutherford, who objected the John Dalton's atomic theory because John Dalton explained atom as indivisible. Question number 8. Nuclear theory is presented by. Nuclear theory is presented by. Answer is D, Rutherford. Rutherford presented the nuclear theory within the atom. Atomic theory given by John Dalton as well as nuclear theory presented by Rutherford. The important question. These questions have been asked so many exams. Question number 9. Rutherford, originally a New Zealand scientist, In which country did he perform his nuclear research work? Rutherford basically belongs to New Zealand, but later on he completed his nuclear research work in answer D, UK, United Kingdom or Britain. Question number 10. In which year did Rutherford present his nuclear theory? When Rutherford presented his nuclear theory? Answer is D, 1911. Question number 11. By whom Rutherford's nuclear theory was amended? There was scientist who challenged the Rutherford's nuclear theory and then make some amendment in his theory or presented it as modified form. Who is the scientist? Answer is C, Niels Bohr. Niels Bohr, a Danish scientist, belongs to Denmark. Question number 12. Which of the following particles are not divisible? A particle which cannot be divided in further parts. Answer is B, photon. Photon are known as indivisible particles, so that's why they are used in so many techniques. Question number 13. Who is the founder of the nucleus within the atom? Who first claimed that atom is not indivisible because there is nucleus within the atoms? This was presented by first Rutherford. Answer A. Question number 14. Which particles were used by Rutherford in his nuclear experiment? When the Rutherford did his nuclear experiment, he used which of the following particles? Answer A, alpha particle. Question number 15. Which of the following conclusion received from the Rutherford's nuclear experiment by striking of alpha particles on thin metal plate? This is the experiment of Rutherford's, and which was the major conclusion of that experiment? Answer is A, most alpha particle cross the metal sheet. Question number 16. Which of the following is not an integral part of the atoms? Atoms have 3 elements only, and which of the following is not an integral part? Answer is D, photon. Photon are the not integral part of atom. Question number 17. Atoms are basically in their nature. Atoms are basically in their nature. Answer is D, neutral, because electrons which revolve around the atoms are negative in charge, while proton which exists in nucleus is positive in charge. Then both electron and proton neutralize to each other. That's why atom is neutral in its nature. Question number 18. What is the size of atom? Size of atom is answer B, 10 की power minus 10 meter. Question number 19. Size of the nucleus is. What is the size of nucleus? Answer is D, 10 की power minus 15 meter, because nucleus is smaller than the atoms in size. Question number 20. Which scientist first proved that some part of the nucleus is positive. Some part of the nucleus is positive. Answer is B. Rutherford. When Rutherford did his experiment, striking alpha particles on the thin metal plate, then some alpha particle divert from their root. This was due to the positive nature of some part of nucleus, because same charges distract to each other. That by Rutherford concluded. Question number 21. Which of the following particles exist in the nucleus of the atom? Which are the integral elements of nucleus are? Which particle are found in nucleus? The same question. Answer is A. Proton and neutron are found in nucleus. Question number 22. Which particles represent the word nucleon? The nucleon word refer to or indicate the both particles. Answer is B. Neutron and protons are called nucleon. Question number 23. Chemical nature of any atom depends. How the chemical nature of the atom is determined? On the number of electron in atom. Answer is C. Question number 24. Which of the following are mass particles or permanent particles? We have already discussed in video lecture. There are 4 mass particles, also known as permanent particles. And which of the following are the mass particle? Answer is D. All. Electron, proton, antiproton. And 4th particle is positron. Answer is D. All. All are the mass particles. Question number 25. Which of the following are energy particles or temporary particles? This question also have been discussed in video lectures. There are also 4 particles are known as energy or temporary particles. Answer is C. Neutron and photon. And there are 2 another energy particles are neutrino and pi meson. Okay. Then there are 4 energy particles and 4 are the mass particles. These questions sometimes are asked in different exams, so you understand or learn these questions correctly. Question number 26. What is the value of charge on the electron? Value of charge on the electron is, answer is D. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Coulomb, through which we measure the charge on any electron. Question number 27. Who discovered the electron particle first? Or electron was founded or discovered by in first? Answer is A. J.J. Thomson. Full name is Joseph John Thomson. Belongs to which country? Question number 28. In which year electron was discovered? When the electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1899. Answer is C. Although he explained the characteristics of electron in 1897, but finally 1899 this was proved. Question number 29. Value of charge on electron discovered by the charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb. Who proved this? Answer is D. Edward Robert Andrews Millikan. Question number 30. The mass of the electron is. What is the mass of electron is? Answer is D. 9.1 into 10 की power minus 31 kilogram. Okay. In the next second part, we will discuss another 30 questions or more. Thanks.